All right, Shivam has me driving his GT3. He says it was making noises, and I said, well, I'll figure it out real quick what it's doing. And I'm trying to now make noises in it. And all I hear thus far are wonderful noises. I think this car sounds good. The only noise I currently hear is like that rattle, and the exhaust, obviously. The rattle is the clutch. So that's not a problem. He said he was having an issue in reverse. Okay. It's got a little squeak in reverse. And just reverse. The whole thing is you have to try to isolate the sound. See, the problem is it's not, that's when I stop.
Sounded like brakes, Rob.
No, but it's only...
I know that you...
Clutch in. See, the thing is the clutch is in, it's still making that noise. Interesting, let me do that again. Because it could be a wheel bearing, but it doesn't really make sense for a wheel bearing. Let me put it in reverse. It's definitely reverse only. And if it's reverse only when I put the clutch in, so that gets rid of the engine speed. But let's see here. Okay, see, that's good. It's now not in gear. It's while I'm going backwards only. So my guess is usually pretty effing good, is that it's probably something on one of the rotors that when it goes in reverse is just catching. So let's try this. Jimbo, why don't you get out?
I was about to ask.
Is that wheel making noise?
I think it's this one. Try again, go back on now.
Yeah, hold on. You stay there. But I think it's one of the wheels.
It is one of the wheels. I'm willing to bet money it's one of the wheels.
Let me see if I can, you stay here.
Sure.
Alright, so that obnoxious looking thing that I just did was attempting to try, and it works a lot better at high speed, but trying to clean the surface of the brakes with a couple of hard stops. Now, see if it works.
Still there.
Still there.
It's pretty audible right there on this wheel.
Yeah. Okay, well, we have at least identified what we're going to look at. Jimbo, you can jump back in and we'll wrap this up. So we've learned two things. A, I still love this car, like tremendously. Like probably one of my favorite cars ever made, 997 GT3 RS. And two, it's got nothing to do with the transmission, which was Shivam's concern. All right, folks, thank you for watching. I'll let you know what it ends up being. I'm gonna take the wheels off and start inspecting. If it's not a brake rotor or a pad, likely it's gonna be a wheel bearing. So, but it's strange that it's only in reverse, but we'll figure that out, and I will bring it to you when we know. Thanks for watching, and I had fun.